Hello Songbird, it's Kerri from the songbirdtree.com, and today we're going to talk about the best vocal tract position for belting. Now, before we get on to today's lesson, I do want to encourage you to click on the link below to download my 7 singing hacks. There are 7 amazing exercises to help you to mix and belt, and so you're going to absolutely love that. Okay, let's get on to the lesson. Now I'm going to give you an exercise that is going to help you to create that optimal vocal tract positioning for a belt. What I mean by that is it's the best vocal tract positioning that will help you get the power, intensity, and volume that is characteristic of a belt sound, but without the pain and strain that can sometimes go along with it. The exercise is a wow. Now, just like I said it, well, you need to sing it like that. You need to sing it with lots of joy and surprise. It goes like this. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Fantastic. Now, let me explain to you why that exercise is so effective. Let me ask you a question first. What is the vowel? So when we sing wow, what exactly is the vowel? Let's say the word together. Wow. Now, if you said to me, Kerri, I think it's a ah or an ah. So wow or wow, right? Then you would be right, okay? The main vowel, the main open wide vowel is an ah or an ah. That then closes into a ooh, because it's wow. Now, when we actually make that vowel sound, we actually position our vocal tract in a certain way. The vocal tract ends up being shaped like this. This is called a divergent vocal tract. Now I'm going to turn side on to show you. What I mean by that is that the mouth is wide open, as you can see, but the throat at the back is somewhat closed. So big wide open mouth, wow, but the throat is somewhat closed. This vocal tract positioning is actually crucial for a belt sound. We need this in order to get that acoustic resonance of intensity, volume, and power that is characteristic of a belt. However, with the throat being slightly somewhat closed, sometimes we get a lot of strain. Let's speak the word wow again, and let's ask ourselves again, what is the vowel? Wow. Try that again for me. Wow. Did you notice? Before I even said anything, before any sound actually came out of my mouth, I made a certain vowel shape with my mouth, silently. Wow. Do you see where I am coming from? So I'm actually making an ooh vowel shape before I even say anything with the word wow. So you try it for me. Ooh. Okay, try that again. Ooh. When you make the vowel sound ooh, what do you feel at the back of your throat? Let's try it again. Ooh. You should feel a sense of openness. Now this is another vocal tract position, and this is called the convergent vocal tract position. So this is where your mouth is small, but the back of the throat is very open and big. All right? Mouth is small, back of the throat is very open and big. So when we use the word wow, we actually start with a convergent vocal tract position and then go into a divergent vocal tract positioning once we start to sound the vowel. And so what we've essentially done is we have set our throats up for success. We've opened it right up and then gone into the vowel so that we can have that power, intensity, and volume, but without the pain and the strain and the pull. So there you go. That is the reason why the word wow is such an amazing exercise to sing to help you with your optimal vocal tract positioning. So have a whole heap of fun with that one. The other important thing about singing the wow is that you need to sing it with joy and surprise, as if it's Christmas morning and you've got all these presents laid out under the tree and you're opening up the presents and you're like, wow! You need to sing it with that kind of intense emotion. Because you see, a belt, by nature, is intense, right? It's intense. There needs to be an emotion that backs that up. And when you do sing with that sort of surprise and joy, that emotion will definitely help you to execute that belt really powerfully and well, and also with ease. Because when you say wow, right, there's a sense of a call or a spoken quality that basically helps to make it quite easy on the throat rather than pulled up and painful and straining. Okay, Songbird, I really do hope that that exercise really just gave you so much joy. It's such a fun exercise. If you liked the video, please do make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos. And in the comments below, I really would like to know, when you were doing the exercise, how did it feel in your throat? Was it nice and open and free? I would love to know, and I would love to hear from you. Now, if you haven't already, make sure to click on the link below to download my free 7 singing hacks. It's all there to help you mix and belt, and you're absolutely gonna love it. All right, until next time, know that I'm always believing in you. So why don't you get out there, get grounded, take flight, and sing.